Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. I am Shamsul Huda sir before you. Everybody most welcome for my online class. How are you my dear students? I hope you are well by the mercy of Allah. I am also well. Okay. Today we will discuss class 7 English first paper unit 6 lesson 3 what are they doing. Okay, please start. Okay, please attention, look at the picture. Okay, first picture, there some boys are playing football. Second picture, some people and some kids are buying their toys or necessary things. Third picture, a man on working on computer. And fourth picture, some boys and children are watching TV. Okay. So our today's topic, what are they doing? Learning outcome. After the completing lesson, student will be able to read and understand text, write answer to the questions, talk about people, place and events. Okay. Read the text silently. Please, attention. Page 56. Please, page 56. Open. Here, most important words, keywords, synonyms and antonyms. At first, we discuss. Okay. Glued to. Synonyms, it is adjective giving all attention to some of someone. These synonyms are given in the textbook, page 56. Okay. Antonyms, inattentive. Upload. To transfer data, synonym. Antonym, download. It is verb. Download, synonym, copy data. Upload, antonyms. Okay. Play, খেলা করা. Sport, game, freak. Antonym, tightness. Throw, নিক্ষেপ করে. Verb, cast, passing. And antonym, catch. Mark, verb, চিহ্নিত করা. Identify, indicate. Antonym, ignored. Transfer, বদলি করা. Move, shift. Antonyms, stay in place, stand still. Okay. Watch, দেখা. Verb, guard, look after. Okay. Antonyms, neglect, ignored. Attention, মনোযোগ. Noun, synonyms, heed. Antonyms, inattention. Okay. Please, all the students must write it. Please, must write down. প্রয়োজন এটা স্ক্রিন টাচ দিয়ে রাখতে পারো. ওকে. Okay. Look at the picture again and talk about what the boys and girls are doing. First picture, the boys and girls. In picture A, we see a playground where some boys are playing hadudu. Okay. Picture B, we see some boys and girls are watching TV. Picture C, we see the two children going to school with parents. Okay. In picture D, we see some boys and girls buying some necessary things. Okay. Look at the picture and answer the following. Okay. Which activities mainly take place in cities and which activities mainly take place in villages? Okay. Please. Which activities take place in cities? মানে শহরে কোন কাজগুলো ম্যাক্সিমাম বেশি হয়? Mainly watching TV and working on computer mainly take place in cities. And hadudu take place only villages. Understand? And playing football mainly take place in cities, both also in village. Okay, উত্তর को मिले नहीं. हाँ, yes, computer and watching TV mainly take place in cities. Playing hadudu mainly takes place in villages, and playing football can take place both in cities and villages. Okay. Okay, fireworks. Right answer to these questions. Okay, what free time activities do you like? Its answer is variable. You like football, cricket, painting. Okay, anyone, fishing. Okay, what free time activity do you like? I like catching fish. I like play cricket. Okay, what and how do you leisure activities with? तुम কোথায় এবং কে কে তোমার সাথে থাকে? I play cricket with my friends. Okay, why do you like or dislike to do your free time activities? তুমি free time activities এ কি করতে পছন্দ করো না? I like playing cricket, free activities, because it gets me pleasure, it makes me healthy. Okay, are there any problem in doing your free time activities? If any, describe them. তোমার free time activities করার জন্য কি কোনো সমস্যা হয়? No, I have no any difficulties, any problem. Okay, আমার উত্তরগুলো মিলিয়ে নিই. I play cricket in my free time. Sometimes I swim in the pond. মাঝে মাঝে পুকুরে সাঁতারও কাটি. I play cricket with my friends in our school field. I like my free time activities because I get pleasure in it. It also keeps me healthy. Okay, I do not face any problems in doing my free time activities. Okay, please again evaluation, which of them are free time or leisure activities and which are not. Please attention, all the students, please attention here and open your book, please, page 57D. Okay, at first, which of them are free time or leisure activities and which are not? নিচের দেওয়া তথ্যগুলো থেকে কোনটা ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস মানে অবসর সময়ের কাজ আর কোনটা অবসর সময়ের কাজ নয়? প্লিজ থিঙ্ক ডিপলি and then answer. Okay, first, reading for games. খেলাধুলার জন্য পড়াশোনা করা, তাহলে কি ইট মাস্ট কি হবে এটা? ইট ইজ ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস অর নট? নো, ইট ইজ নট. লিসেনিং ফর মিউজিক, সঙ্গীত শোনা, গান শোনা কি? হোয়াট ইজ? ইট ইজ ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস. ওকে, ভিজিটিং রিলেটিভস অন উইকেন্ডস, সপ্তাহের বন্ধের দিনগুলোতে আত্মীয়র বাড়িতে বেড়াতে যাওয়া, এটা কি? হোয়াট ইজ দিস? ইট ইজ মাস্ট ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস. অ্যাটেন্ডিং মিউজিক লেসেন্স, মিউজিক পাঠে উপস্থিতি হওয়া, ইট ইজ নট ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস. রিডিং স্টোরি বুকস, গল্পের বই পড়া, ইট ইজ ফ্রি টাইম অ্যাক্টিভিটিস. গোয়িং টু মুভিস অকেশনালি, মাঝে মাঝে সিনেমা দেখতে যাওয়া, মুভি দেখতে যাওয়া, হোয়াট ইজ দিস? I think it is must free time activities. Okay. Helping parents with household work. বাসা বাড়িতে পিতা আমাদেরকে কাজ করে দেয়, এটা কি? হ্যাঁ, absolutely it is free time activities. Okay. Going on a picnic with family or friends. বন্ধু বান্ধবের সাথে পরিবারের সাথে পিকনিকে যাওয়া, এটা কি? What is this? I think it must be free time activities. Okay. Walking in the park on holidays. It is, what is this? It is free time activities. Okay. You must write it and then answer. Okay. Please attention. Which of them are free time activities or leisure activities and which are not? It is your mainly homeworks. Understand? And then you write a short paragraph on page time. Page time means leisure time. Page time, it is given your syllabus. Understand? It is given your syllabus. Okay, paragraph tona porbe. In Corona time, you must read more and more, say your prayers in time, and recite your Holy Quran daily. Okay, and okay, so please stay at home and be safe. Okay, today, okay, no more today. See you again. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.